So you have a site with FSI1 where you try to consume complete site with FSI1, and if you try to leave some margins, you get some kind of niche there. Then you try to put those margins, utilize those margins, and try to create a form. So in a way you are trying to utilize the site, the areas and the FSI1 to create a tower like structure which can be your apartment. So you are not wasting the area, but you are using it. This is a quick exercise done using Zynga blocks to showcase how you can utilize the areas as per FSI. So using similar exercise, you can also try to create form and try to manifest your form in the apartment. So we have again tried to utilize and create the desired form for the apartment design. So you can leave some voids, you can add some masses, and in a way the form can be shaped. Floor wise, the form is shaped with using the floor plates, what you can see right now. So these are different layers put one above another, utilizing the FSI and creating a interesting form for the apartment design. This call for a hands-on experiment. Time for a exercise. You need 4 OSS block, cutter and steel scale to begin with the exercise. It is a very easy and playful exercise. You can always mark 3 equal parts on the OSS brick, cut them and made this 3 equal part ready. Further, each part can be divided in 2 equal parts. So you can cut them as shown in the video. And from one OSS block you nearly derive 6 equal parts. And from 4 you derive 24 equal parts that can be arranged like a site. Now again you need to play the same activity which we did with the Zynga blocks. So you can always utilize the margins and put and try to create a form which appears like a apartment. Now this can be always played or utilized in various form, you making the use of one FSI. So by doing this you can always try to play with the form as well. You can use the voids, you can use the masses, and that creates the interesting geometry plus the utility of FSI and area available with the developer on that site. Designing apartment is a very interesting exercise one needs to understand because it is a complete utility of mass, void and the overall form which has been achieved. So you all need to do this exercise and let's learn.